Hey everybody, it's Jorik. Welcome back. Hope you're doing well and having a really good day. This video is a quick one. I just want to let those of you know who are in Lisbon, Portugal right now, or might be coming here or traveling through over this next week, that there's going to be a metro stop closure. So if you are taking the metro, the subway throughout the city, there's a particular area from August 11th through August 15th that no trains are going to be running there. It is on the Blue Line, and it is from the Lisbon Zoo to the Parque station. So when you're going back and forth, you're going to have to find other means: walk, bus, Uber, cab, Bolt, something. So again, August 11th through the 15th, they're going to be doing maintenance there. They need to update some of the things with the track. So if you're coming, just know that there's a little monkey wrench there. No trains are going to be running on that particular section of the Blue Line. As always, thank you so much for checking out the channel and enjoy your travels.